I'ma keep it gutter, don't waste time. Shoot him in his head, hollow tips at his waistline. Body parts coming, nigga, and you know I'm thugging, nigga. My niggas, they come through, go to war, we bustin' with you. And you know we coming with the bullets, we gon' pull it. Niggas, they ain't ready for the game, they so foolish. Nigga, yeah, we stay focused, and I ain't even distracted. Getting to the money, nigga, and you know I'm about action. Nigga, toe tagging, this rapping got a nigga bragging. These niggas is lames, nigga, I be body bagging, and you know I'm swagging. Caught up in traffic, yeah, I'm from Akron, where my niggas flow better than average. Got the cocaine, propane, and then I bag it. Man, for the dope game, nigga, I'm back at it, cause I gotta get it, and you know that I'm with it. Coke boys, you know I'm with it. Boy, I came from the trenches, so these niggas, they ain't fucking with my niggas. You know just what it is, they ain't bustin' with my niggas. They just bitches, we bitches. Nigga, fall riches, gotta get it. Definition, this shit that got you reminiscing. Boy, I gotta get it. Man, I'm on the upload, and you know you a download. I ball like I'm Rondo, I'm the head honcho. Pop the cop a combo, nigga with a combo. Bad bitch in the condo, both in the 2-room. Yeah, I got the both too, and you know a go cocoon. Yeah, it's coming soon. I ain't talking previews, these niggas is see-through. You know how I feel, boy, you know what I'm into. Took the instrumental, blow out on this bitch. Getting to the paper, nigga, and my flow heaven. Man, I'm so level, man, I feel like the president. Run up in your house, nigga, now we in your resident. Nigga, yeah, we trapping out. Nigga, why he asked out? Guess that he asked out, cause the nigga can't cash out. And I see it in his eyes. The game got me hypnotized. For the game, I'm mesmerized. So you know that I'm a ride. Spitting in the kitchen, and you know my religion. Boy, you know I get it. This is just how I'm living. And I ain't talking kids. My nigga gotta do it big. I'm ballin' like Josh Chris. My nigga, that's what it is. Smoke weed like I'm Wiz. Nigga, yeah, that chunky. These niggas ain't fresh, so we know these niggas bummy. My niggas gon' eat. Yeah, he mad cause he hungry. The bitches on the streets, they say that they want me, but no, I never get it. No, I stay focused. Man, the street style, top of the head, never broken. Yeah, the guns toting, and you know we pullin', shooting, we getting money, my nigga. You know we do it. Yeah, straight influence. Shout out to my niggas in the pen. Gotta get the money for the game. I be going in, and you know just what it is. My niggas be rolling in with the fucking kush. This is more than a book. Yeah, straight freestyle, so it don't need a hook. These niggas, they so nervous, so I leave these niggas shook. Real shit, yeah, you look, nah, a nigga can't see me. I got magic when they come to that paper, just call me Genie, or like that Phoebe. I feel like a Fiji. My niggas got the art, and I ain't talking about graffiti. The niggas say I can spit, so the game really need me. Real talk, he think I'm a lame, so he don't see me till I come through and bang on him. Sell cane on them. My niggas come through and brush your brain on them. Real talk, your friend got him nervous. I be high like Julius Irvin. In the third lane, I be swerving. Wake up in the morning, I can hear the birds chirping. Remember when I was on a bus, now I'm in Suburban. Yeah, and I be working in the hood and I be lurking. My niggas, they from the dirty, and I ain't talking about the dirty. Yeah, this is the West. Right now I feel blessed. Being broke, it make me stress. I told her don't settle for less. You know, feel like the best. Feel like one of the greatest. These niggas, they just be hating. We leave them just contemplating. You know me, I be shaking. I got the reservations, ain't no hesitating. Getting high, boy, I'm elevating. So why you waiting? You know the hollows leave them scraping. How like skyscrapers, little nigga, that's my flavor. Getting money, your bitch, I never date her. Cause she be with them niggas that known to be them haters. And I be with them niggas that'll hit you in a second. Nigga, I'm at church on Sunday with the reverend and I light up some fucking blunt. Take my girl out to lunch. You niggas is nothing but bums. You settle just for the crumbs. Nigga, I need everything made. There's no wedding ring. Put that on my life, little nigga. Put that on everything. And you know that's real shit. I ain't talking Will Smith. Hollow tips and make you split. Boy, you know what it is. Pour down in the whip. Nigga with the fresh kicks. Pulling down a 98 Chevy. Fuck a Lexus. Boy, you know when they come to Ohio, boy, I'm reppin'. Chin checking. Did this shit just for my section. Boy, they call me reckless, but you can call me Rance. I hope he understand. I feel like the man that be coming through and getting blunted. Young nigga counting hundreds, and you know I'm never thugging. Nigga, I be getting money. Nigga, that's real talk. That's real talk.